can't see for the sun if this video's on. Ah, yes it is. Right, okay. I bought myself a new piece of kit. Yesterday. Here it is. It's 2010 Fatbob with 16,000 kilometres or 10,000 miles, apparently. It's got lots of little tricks on it, I suppose. The bike's immaculate, apart from all the cow shit on it. By the time I come home, by the time I got home, the dairy farm just up the road had brung all the cows back for milking. So there's cow shit on it everywhere. And that's not swearing, that's what it is, it's cow shit. You know, cow poop, cow pats, only on the road. Anyway, I should have come back the long way, but I come across the mountain, which is a lot quicker and more convenient for me. Lots of twisty bits. And as a result, I had to pass the dairy farm, which is just up the road there, half a kilometre, doesn't it? Line the lane. Anyway, I digress. This is my new motorcycle, so I've got to wash it now. Got all the cow poop off it. I will start it up the way these people do on YouTube. I don't know why, it's going to waste all my petrol. But anyway, whoever said Scottish people were tight, let me tell you, I'm as tight as a duck's arse, laddie. Right, okay. Right, that's enough of using my petrol. Can't be using all my petrol. Okay. There's the mirrors. Okay. I like this touch. These were in the box with some of the spares. There's, I can't pronounce the name. It's some Kakahakafanjai American thing. It's supposed to make your hand feel better and a little bit on the wristy thing. And blah 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 blah. And then the curving back risers, or bent risers, whatever you want to call it, if it's wherever you come from, laddie or ladette. Anyway, just with this curve here, it actually makes the bike so comfortable for me to ride, because I'm only a little short arse, 5'7". Anyway, that be that. I'm doing some work on my shovel at the moment. I'll take you in and show you my wee shovel. What are you doing? Laska, where are you going? Maggot Doug. Anyway, I'm done a couple of little bits on this. Had to put a new primary belt on, because my driveway is all gravel, and I put quite a big stone through the chain. I've checked that it's not damaged the pulley. So yeah, brum brum. So that be that. Yeah, pain you do. I just got to adjust the chain up now, and I just got to adjust the chain up, because that's really bad. But that's because I just put on the new primary. And then I got to get a wee clean up. Yeah. I just put performance machine kit on it. The clutch lever, because it's hydraulic on this. You know, it's a generator shovel. And I've got hydraulic clutch. I've got electric start if I want, or kick start. Got